Alright, so this is the DVR I received, and there's a problem in this DVR. There's a rattling noise inside this item. So if I shake it, it's a rattling noise. That's a rattling. So that's a rattling noise somewhere here. There's a rattling noise. So that's my problem with this DVR.